Depending on which actual version of the calculator you have, exponents might work in one of two ways. I'm going to calculate 3 to the power 4 minus 2 plus 1. And I'm going to work that out by hand first, just so that we know that our calculator is doing the right thing, because what we're about to do is a little bit tricky to enter. So, exponents first. 3 to the 4 minus 2, that's 3 squared. That means 3 times 3, which is 9. I have 9 plus 1, which is 10. So if we enter this correctly on the calculator, we should get 10. In order to get an exponent on the calculator, we want to hit this. This symbol is called a caret. We want to hit this caret key, which is just right up above the 4 basic operations. Now, this is the part that depends on exactly which version of the calculator you have. If you have an older version of the calculator, if you type 3 and hit the exponent key, it's just going to show you that caret symbol on the screen. If it just shows you the caret symbol on the screen, then you need to put the 4 minus 2 in parentheses. Why? Because you're actually going to work out that subtraction first, and you need the parentheses to tell you that the 4 minus 2 is in the exponent. If, on the other hand, you have a newer version of the calculator, when you type in 3 and hit the exponent key, now you see that the exponent is actually in a superscript. We can type the 4 minus 2 in the exponent, but now we're stuck in there. To get out of the exponent, hit the right arrow key. Depending on which version of the calculator you have exactly, you might end up with something that looks like this, or then again you might end up with something that looks like this. Both of them work the same way, but we have to manipulate them just a little bit differently.